What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to talk to you about why listicle content pays you more money than other general content that you create. In a previous video I explained what listicle content is and its value, but in this video I want to focus on the monetary benefits that it carries. Now, what you're looking at here are my income reports when it comes to specific pages on my blog. So for example, this one goes to one about day hikes in Las Vegas that I showed in a previous video. This one goes to an article that talks about the best hikes in Sedona. And these others also go to their own respective articles, how much money they've made. So in the past 30 days, this article about Las Vegas made $153. This one made over $120, and so on and so forth. But here's the thing. These top 5 pages in terms of earning me revenue, they're all listicle content without exception. And the reason that listicle content pays more is actually a couple of reasons. One of the main ones is that listicle content is generally longer, and so when people look through this, there's a list and people want to get through the list more often. So they'll stay on your page longer. That means your stay times improve. That means your SEO can improve. But in terms of making money, if you're doing something like I am, where I, for example, have ads running on my website, I also do affiliate marketing, but for this website, the main primary method of income is running ads. So as people are scrolling through this page, this is an ad that's loading by a third-party company that pays me for every visitor that comes. This is an ad. And because it's listicle content, they will get through more of this article and be shown more ads. And the more ads that they're shown, the more I get paid. So people in general, they get through more of your content if it's listicle. It's not, 100% of the time, but many times this is the case when it comes to listicle content, which means more ads load, which means you get paid more. And that's one of the main reasons why listicle content pays more. And these numbers are not by accident. If I keep scrolling down, I'll probably see other ones like, oh, so this one is not listicle, but this one is, this one does have that kind of stuff, things to do. I would say about 80 to 90% of my top performing revenue pages that run ads are listicle based content. So how do you use this to your advantage? Well, create listicle content on popular keywords and then create blog content on that, create video content on that for YouTube, for TikTok, for Instagram, for Facebook. You can just distribute the same videos there, although some of the mediums could be different. Like for example, on YouTube, you can have a more long form video and shorts videos. On TikTok, you would have more of a mobile type of video, which you can then share on Instagram and Facebook, but you can also make that listicle content just as well. So for example, if I was making content, just getting started with it, and I found a keyword like hikes near Las Vegas, and I created this article called Day Hikes in Las Vegas, so I created the article. It's already targeting a keyword, so there's good chances that it can rank on Google. I would also promote this on Pinterest because this is also a keyword that's searched there. I'd make a YouTube video that talks about the 5 best day hikes in Las Vegas, and that will probably get more people watching for longer periods of time, so that can get me closer to monetization where ads run on the video, so I can start making money from that. Listicle content in general, regardless of where it's shown, can actually just make you more money overall because of the nature of listicle content and people wanting to continue to scroll, or if they're watching a video, to watch the video longer to help you make more money. Just as well, you can do the same thing with affiliate marketing, but I find in general that when you run ads, whether it be on your video or on your website like I do over here, listicle content can help you earn more from this specific method of earning money. Affiliate marketing can help as well, so if you're marketing like specific tools that you like to use or hiking gear that you like to take, just to name a few different subjects out there, you can potentially make more sales. But when it comes to display ads like these or having ads run on your video content, listicle content can help people absorb and just marinate more through the content that you create, and that can help you have more ads being shown, making more money as a result, and that's really the bottom line. So I hope that this video was helpful. In the previous video I explained how you can also find ideas for listicle content that I strongly recommend you check out or rewatch if you haven't, because I explained how to do that there. But if you have any questions about this, let me know. Other than that, if you have any if you've been watching this for now, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.